4 utility stocks to hold forever. That's what I want to talk about in today's video. But before we do that, if you're new here and you never see my channel, my name's Elliot and I upload videos about investing, the stock market, and I do updates on my own portfolio, which is on the Robinhood app. So if that's something you enjoy, give this video a like, subscribe, and let's jump right into it. Utility companies provide services to nearly every home and business in the United States. When you invest in utility stocks, you can usually count on slow but steady appreciation and consistent dividends. My phone should be coming up right about now. And first up is American Electric Power Company, ticker symbol AEP. In business since 1906, American Electric Power is a Columbus, Ohio-based utility company that services approximately 200,000 square miles in 11 states with 5.5 million customers. AEP is also one of the largest producers of electricity in the country. And you can see they're up over 59% in the last 10 years. Dividends, they have a dividend yield of 4.14%, annual payout of $3.52, payout ratio 64.31%, 5-year growth rate 5.80%, years of growth 14 years. Last announced dividend was 88 cents, and they pay their dividend quarterly. Dividend growth history, you can see that they have been increasing their dividend over the last couple years. Next is NextEra Energy, ticker symbol NEE. When it comes to clean energy, this Juno Beach, Florida company dominates the market. NextEra Energy owns Florida Power and Light Company, which services more than 5.7 million customers' accounts and supports more than 11 million residents across Florida. It represents the world's largest generator of renewable energy from the wind and sun, as well as being a world leader in battery storage. And looking down at my phone, you can see over the last 10 years, they're up over 162%. Dividends, they have a dividend yield of 3.15%, annual payout of $2.06. Payout ratio is 58.81%. 5-year growth rate 10.86%. Years of growth 28 years. Last announced dividend was 52 cents, and they pay their dividend quarterly. Dividend growth history, you can see that they too have been increasing their dividend. Next up is American Waterworks Company, ticker symbol AWK. American Waterworks is the largest publicly traded water and wastewater utility in the U.S. It makes most of its money by providing regulated water and wastewater services to retail, commercial, and industrial customers. With its corporate history dating back to 1886, it's not surprising that the company consistently drives earnings and dividend growth. And looking down at my phone, you can see over the last 10 years, they're up over 156%. Dividends, they have a dividend yield of 2.32%, annual payout of $2.83, payout ratio is 56.80%, 5-year growth rate 9.23%, years of growth 15 years. Last announced dividend was 71 cents, and they pay their dividend quarterly as well. Dividend growth history, they too have been increasing their dividend. Next up is Southern Company, ticker symbol SO. With over 9 million customers, the Southern Company operates 7 electric and natural gas utilities that provide electric in 3 states and natural gas in 4. It is also the leading distributed energy infrastructure company, providing fiber optics network and telecommunications services. And over the last 10 years, they're up over 54%. Dividends, they have a dividend yield of 3.97%, annual payout of $2.80, payout ratio 76.37%, 5-year growth rate 3.13%, years of growth 22 years. Last announced dividend was 70 cents, and they pay their dividend quarterly. Dividend growth history, they too have been increasing their dividend. And of course, if you want to invest in all these companies, you can buy the Vanguard Utility Index, ticker symbol VPU. Well, this is where you'll get these companies and a lot other great utility companies. A few reasons why I like investing in utility stocks is stable long-term investment and regular dividends, safe investments during economic downturns, and it offers diversification to your portfolio. So if you enjoyed this video, please take the time to give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below, what are your favorite utility stocks? And do you invest in any of the companies that we talked about? And we'll see you next time.